It's backyard renovation time.
So here it is, my mess of a backyard. Overgrown plants, dirty wheels and tires, misplaced river rock, and a lot of stuff that some might call trash. I think that we're going to work on this backyard in a series of sections. And today, we're going to be working on, well, it's supposed to be 3 bushes, but you'll see. Alright, so the plan today is to tackle these 3 bushes. Yes, I said 3. There is, or was, once 3 bushes in there, and they kind of run about like this, 2, and then there was a 3rd one, and I think we had them, you know, in a step up. I don't know if that, you know, makes sense, but essentially there was 3 plants here, and now it's kind of just a, I don't know, looks like a potato. Yeah. And we're gonna get those trimmed back. I'd have actually liked to reveal the sidewalk in here. You know, I'm gonna kind of cut it back, even though a lot of the bushes are going away. I'm gonna be cutting it back to that line that runs with the sidewalk. So let's get going. Hey, get out of there! I'm just kidding. I know. It's ugly.
Get to making with jive or shout. When it hits you, yes, in the air, yes, yes, you shout. When it hits you, yes, in the air, yes, yes. When it hits you, yes, in the air, yes, yes, you shout. When it hits you, yes, in the air, yes, in the air, yes, you holler, yes. 1, 2, 3.
To what new horizons can we look now? Where are tomorrow's opportunities? The frontiers of the future are not on any map. But now, what's ahead of us?
dehydrated. I'm worried about you. Yeah. Whatever. So, I realized something very interesting. Alright, you can see it from here. See all those green streaks? I thought that was just part of the plant. And that one too. It's pretty bad. But it's really that thing. There's a chair under there. It looks like this. So, looks like this, but it's under there. Just trust me. America. Now that I'm looking at it, I kind of see a car. You know what I mean? Like, see my little full-fledged needle, you know? So that's it. And you just kind of...
Three hours later.
Okay, come on. Oh, good. Oh, yeah. How'd you do that, man? That took a lot of work, huh? Yeah. This is what I have left. That didn't fit in the bin. Yeah. Yeah, this is cut back all the way to the sidewalk edge. Almost. The big one's not perfectly flush, but oh yeah. Yeah, I tried to square it off. And then I was trying to get back in there and cut this gap out again, and I kind of went a little towards the center too much there, but you make it smaller. Yeah. I know it'll all grow back. Oh, you know something else? Look at, see all these little green leaves coming through? You know what that is? That's another vine tree that like grew. It's another vine plant. Like, look at, see right here? That straight stem. That one, this one? No, this one right here. Oh, that one? that's a vine plant. It's not this plant. See see all those vines growing up through it?
Oh, yeah.
It like spread all the way over here.
This is too, huh?
I don't know. Some of it is, some of it isn't.
Oh, this is.
Yeah. That's why I was tripping.
What plant is that?
It's that. It's that thing. Yeah. It didn't spread over there. I mean, it like kind of spread, but not really. It like grew a new plant. And then I chopped that off right there, all those leaves off of there. So that's what it looks like underneath. I think we should just kill that plant, honestly. I think it's kind of like a weed.
You chopped it all down, chopped it all out.
Yeah.
It'll grow back.
Why do you have your mask on, by the way? Too used to wearing it. But this one, so that plant is dead. There's one in there. Hey, watch out, dog. Get out of here. Yeah, it's super dead. But so like the line, you can kind of see where it was and how far overgrown it is.
Cut the shit out of this guy here.
Yeah, you could still cut more. No, but see like this gap right here, that's where it used to be.
Oh, yeah.
And it used to just come straight up through here. It's that far overgrown. That's like,
So that way we can chop all this, actually.
yeah, that's like 3 or 4 foot.
Chop all this.
Yeah, that's where that's a doggy hole now. Yeah, so that's like 3 or 4 foot overgrown on this big one. Well, once I started loading that stuff, that's when I was like, I think I'm done for the night.
But it's full.
Oh yeah, full.
You stomped it.
Yeah, several times.